Scammers are who makes money using illegal methods, especially by tricking people. They are getting increasingly sophisticated in their attempts to get your money or personal details. Please notice, the company will not call you to ask for your social security or account number, but evil scammers might. So, let's jump into the video to see how to be alert and protect yourself from being scammed by following these tips. Before we begin, we publish good content videos every day. If you're not subscribed to the channel, just tap the subscribe button below and don't forget to like this video, never, or you will be in trouble. Scams target everyone. Scams target people of all backgrounds, ages and income levels across the world. There is no one group of people who are more likely to become a victim of a scam. All of us may be vulnerable to a scam at some time. Scams succeed because they look like the real thing and catch you off guard when you are not expecting it. Scammers are getting smarter and taking advantage of new technology, new products or services and major events to create believable stories that will convince you to give them your money and personal details. Protect yourself. Be alert to the fact that scams exist. When dealing with uninvited contacts from people or businesses, whether it's over the phone, by email, in person or on a social networking site, always consider the possibility that the approach may be a scam. Remember, if it looks too good to be true, it probably is. Know who you are dealing with. If you have only ever met someone online or are unsure of the legitimacy of your business, take some time to do a bit more research. Do a Google image search on photos or search the internet for others who may have dealings with them. If a message or email comes from a friend and it seems unusual or out of character for them, contact your friend directly to check that it was really them that sent it. Do not open suspicious texts, pop-up windows or click on links or attachments in emails, delete them. If unsure, verify the identity of the contact through an independent source such as a phone book or online search. Don't use the contact details provided in the message sent to you. If you open that link or any attachment by mistake or within your control, it will ask for your email and your personal details. Make sure please don't fill that. Don't respond to phone calls about your computer asking for remote access. Hang up. Even if they mention a well-known company also, scammers will often ask you to turn on your computer to fix a problem or install a free upgrade, which is actually a virus which will give them your password and personal details. Keep your personal details secure. Keep your passwords and PIN numbers in a safe place. Be very careful about how much personal information you share on social media sites. Scammers can use your information and pictures to create a fake identity or to target you with a scam. Choose your passwords carefully. A strong password should include a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols. Don't use the same password for every account or profile, and don't share your passwords with anyone. Beware of any requests for your details or money. Never send money or give credit card details, online account details or copies of personal documents to anyone you don't know. Don't agree to transfer money or goods for someone else. Money laundering is a criminal offense. Be careful when shopping online. Think twice before using virtual currencies like Bitcoin. They do not have the same protection as other transaction methods, which means you can't get your money back once you send it. How to spot a fake? Clues for spotting a fake document. Documents are easily faked. Some will just look like the real thing, but others might have warning signs such as generic rather than personal greeting, names of organization that doesn't exist, poorer quality presentation, poorer quality grammar and spelling, overly official or forced language. Documents such as flight itineraries and bank statements have simple, uncomplicated layouts even when they are legitimate, because such businesses allow their customers to print online statements. This means that scammers can easily create fake documents by using information available online such as company logos and graphics from websites. Clues for spotting a fake email. Scammers can easily fake an official looking email using the same logo and design as the real company. Often your guard is down when you receive an email from a company you have dealt with before, such as an online shopping site you use. If you are not expecting an email, always be alert to a fake before clicking on any links or opening any attachments. Clues for spotting a fake dating profile. When looking at a dating profile, note anything unusual about the choices of photo, location, interests and language skills match to the background. Scammers often use fake photos they have found online. There's a tip. Do an image search of your admirer to help determine if they really are who they say they are. You can use image search services such as Google or Tinai. Follow-up scams. Scammers will often try to take advantage when you are feeling vulnerable and try to extract more money from you through a follow-up scam. Some common follow-up scams include offers from a law enforcement agency to investigate your scam and retrieve your money for a fee. Law enforcement agencies do not charge for their services. A doctor calling you to alert you that the scammer urgently needs medical bills to be paid, or they might die. A woman contacts you to explain she is the scammer's wife and wants to escape but needs money to do so. These are only a few of the follow-up approaches scammers may use to try to get more money from you. New approaches could be quite different from the original scam and could come quickly or sometime later. Scammers may have passed your details to other scammers who use entirely different methods, and the new approach may seem totally unrelated to the original scam. So I think you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to click the like button below this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel.